So, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and sort of start off, thank you all so much for the incredible support on the channel. So today we are gonna put on some more parts on the MT-09. I'm really been waiting for these parts for a lot of weeks now. I will put links in the description below for all these parts right here. So yeah, we got frame sliders front and rear. We also got frame sliders in the middle by the engine, and we also got these spokes right here for the support on those things that I totally forgot the name for, but you know what I mean. And we'll also get some special screws for block up screws for the old mirrors that we are gonna replace today with these ones. I really hope that you can see what I'm doing right now. I've been trying to get a good angle with the camera. I'm just gonna double check here. Yeah, we are rolling. Good. So yeah, we are gonna start off with the mirrors right here. I actually ordered these ones on eBay. So these are pretty much a knockoff version of the CRG mirrors that are extremely popular, as you can see here. For some of you that know what the CRG mirrors are, they have pretty much the exactly same shape, but of course the CRG mirrors are like a lot more expensive. I got these on Amazon for 40 bucks, and I think just one CRG mirrors cost like 150. Of course the quality is a lot better, but I'm not paying that much. And I was actually recommended by another YouTuber for these mirrors, and as far as I can tell right now, just by holding them, they are extremely solid. No problem whatsoever. The frame is completely full metal and everything. So yeah, the quality actually feels quite nice. Let's see here. Yeah, right size. So let's see here. These should be normal screws, like counterclockwise. Just gonna feel it just a little bit. Which size is this? Like 6 or something. Let's see here. Okay, so there we go. I've got the screw off. I was actually afraid that the whole gas handle was gonna come loose, but yeah, it's just this knob here. So that's good. This one came loose a lot easier. Of course, I had the right tool this time. Okay, so there we go. So of course the screw right here doesn't really look as flush as the original extenders, but might just work. Yeah, because I don't want to remove anything inside there, so I'm not really sure what these extenders are for. I might do a little bit more research on those, just in case. But yeah, for now we're not going to use them. Definitely don't want to over tight. This one, because it's probably gonna affect the gas. OEM ones. So one of these is going to go counterclockwise and the other one is going to go clockwise. So I think this one is actually clockwise. Just going to be really careful here because I don't want to scratch anything. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so you loosen the nut clockwise on this one and then unscrew the whole mirror clockwise as well. There we go. Nice. And this one should be counterclockwise, like a normal bolt. There we go. Yeah, and this whole mirror comes out counterclockwise as well, completely. Straightforward, just gonna screw it on by hand like this, put it through like that, and then meet up on the other side. And then we have the, yeah, those are the same. And then we're gonna take the longer screw on the left side, like this. See, I'm just gonna use the tool for this as well, so I can. There we go, now I can tighten it down. So yeah, straightforward. Just gonna place it through like this. And then the last one. This is a little bit different. It's got like a rubber piece here. And also a longer screw on that side. Need to force it through the rubber there a little bit. See, there we go. It's gonna hold on the other side here. There we go. Just gonna tighten it down. Put on these. Hopefully this fits. I'm not entirely sure, but hopefully, because they look nice. One can always hope. Let's see here. Yeah, seems like it, yeah. They are coming on nice here. There we go, nice. See, there we go. Nice. And now we're also gonna put on these ones. I forgot the name now. Yeah, I will put the name in the description anyway, but yeah. Right down here. Also got these one on AliExpress. pretty solid quality, I would say, especially for the price. I'm just gonna double check so that the screw isn't too long here. Just gonna feel on the back side and double check, because I don't want it to hit the, no, oh, I don't want it to hit the chain, but no problemo. So just tighten it down a little bit. There we go. Salt and all this stuff like that. I don't really think these screws is like the highest quality for like weather, so they might rust in the future, I think. So I will probably change these screws for like black screws with higher quality that can withstand, you know, weather, rust, stuff like that. I don't know how good they will withstand a fall, but right now it's just like, of course, protection, but also a lot of looks. But anyway, let's install these bad boys and see how it looks. Yeah, also forgot to mention that as you can see here, there are two lengths on them. The long one is supposed to be on the left side, right here, because the distance between the frame and the radiator is longer right here on the left side than it is on the right side, as you can see here. So the long one is supposed to be on the left side, and the short one on the right side, right here. Inside down.